Welcome back to Oviya's Autistic Arena. I am here with a new video to help you understand better about force. We will be focusing on the effects of forces in this video. Do you remember the examples we had seen in the previous video when John and Karina wanted to move the table? The table was at rest. John and Karina had to apply a certain force to make it move. Therefore, we can easily say that force can change the state of an object from rest to motion or vice versa. Observe this distance time graph to understand better about the first effect of force. The object depicted through this distance time graph was set in motion for the first 3 seconds. Then, after a certain force was applied or exerted on it, the object was at rest for the next 4 seconds. And then, in the last 2 seconds, the object was back in motion. Here, we see that due to a certain force applied or exerted on the object's state of motion had been changed. Do you play badminton? Does your opponent hit the shuttle faster or probably slower than you? Do you see the change of the speed of the shuttle throughout your game? Through this, we can easily say that force can obviously change the speed of an object. You might have hit the shuttle a little slower, and then your opponent hits the shuttle suddenly faster, which causes the speed of the shuttle to fluctuate. Let us observe this particular distance time graph to understand better about the second effect of force. In the first 2 hours, this object has traveled 4 kilometers. So in the first 2 hours, the speed of this object has been 2 kilometers per hour. In the next 4 hours, this object has traveled 4 kilometers. So the speed of this object in the next 4 hours was 1 kilometer per hour. Through this, we can easily say that after a certain force was applied or exerted on the object, the speed has changed or fluctuated. If we observe this distance time graph throughout, the speed has changed. Goodbye. I'll be back with the other effects of forces in the next video.